Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clear our Discord server. So guys, at first go to your browser. Now tap on the search bar and search me6.xyz. Now tap on add to Discord. Now tap on the server. Swipe down and then enable on the moderator option. Tap on activate moderator. Now go to your Discord. Now go to the server you want to clear. Now tap on and press the message you want to clear. And then tap on delete message. Tap on delete. So guys, that's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.